So, ladies and gentlemen, we have special guest with our Shahan.
Okay, I'm Shan Potts. I've been an immigration attorney for about 23, 24 years. Prior to becoming an immigration attorney, I actually worked at a nonprofit doing immigration.
Oh,
So I got a chance to meet people, understand what their issues are. And I started immigration with humanitarian immigration, like asylum.
okay.
People were fleeing their countries because they were facing some sort of difficulty. So I did that for many, many, many years.
Oh,
And then immigration is a broad, very vast discipline. So I started with a humanitarian, helping people to get protection because they were facing harm. Then I moved into employment. I would help people to, they were in the US, help them to apply for different visas so they can get employment. And then for many, many years, which is really exciting, there were individuals who were suffering threats of deportation. So,
oh,
because for one reason or the other, the government was trying to remove them from the country. And many people have been in the United States for many years. Some of my clients who have even been in there they had grandchildren, so 40 years. And so I would go to court every day and help them. Doing this work for so long, I have other attorneys who assist me, but I'm focusing on businesses, professionals who are looking to come into the U.S. to work, and a lot of students.
okay.
Actually, a lot of my clients are students from India. So I travel to San Francisco and to San Jose, and I speak with them,
Yeah.
and I coach them, and I talk
So,
to businesses.
yeah, Sham, what is the biggest question or what is the biggest challenge while getting visa or deport or immigration you get from any kind, any people from any country like India, Canada, and you work and how you get the solution to them?
Well, different communities are facing different challenges.
Okay.
One of the cases that I'm most proud of, there was a gentleman, he was from the Philippines. He had been in the United States since he was a child.
Okay.
But unfortunately, he got deported, and he was about 18 years old.
Okay.
And it was an unfortunate thing. We were able to correct that, and he was able to return to the U.S. 25 years later to,
Oh.
to reconnect with his family and his parents. So that was the most fulfilling thing that I had, because I was able to change, really impact
After
his
20
family.
years,
20 years
yeah.
to get him back. Today, what I'm seeing a lot, that I'm seeing a lot of Indian nationals are facing, is they're facing challenges with their visas. I had some clients living in the U.S. They're on a visa called an H-1B visa. These visas allow you to work in the U.S., but with our new administration, there's been added scrutiny, checking your social media, checking your history. And so some of my clients have come back to India to visit their families for the holidays, and they're stuck. So I'm in India for 1 month, and I'm here at this event. I'll be in another event in Mumbai, but I'm also visiting my clients
Okay.
who are stuck. And that's a huge problem right now.
Alright,
So I'm trying to help them to figure
Yeah.
out what's that next step.
So, one of my friend facing this is a current situation. Last month, I have heard that he went to the Canada after he dreamed that I want to go to the US, but he didn't get the visa or the PR for that, and now he's decided that I need to come back to the India. Now he again tried to go to the Canada, but during this war situation with and different countries, he decided no, I need to settle down over here.
Okay.
So this kind of perception, or I can say a thought, how the student or the people working professionals are facing, how they can deal with as a mentally.
I think sometimes when we make decisions, we make decisions kind of in our own space, in our own bubble.
Yeah.
And if you're a young person, you're 22, 23, 24, or 30 or whatever, I think it's always good to connect, get a consultation so you can explore. Because maybe the decision that you make today,
Yeah.
maybe with the right counsel, maybe that's the right decision, or maybe there are other options. So I always believe in just get the information, just have the consultation, know your options. You don't want to be 25, 30, and you make a decision that's going to affect the rest of your life. So I'm not saying the decision is correct or not decision.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that just connect, just
Yeah,
ask.
absolutely. You said right that the decision is ours, choice is yours. But before taking any decision, you need to consult. You need
Right.
to take a advice from the right person who
Exactly.
can right. So that's
Yeah.
how you are in the you came into the picture.
Exactly. And I tell my clients, the right person is an instinct. You know it and you can feel it.
Yeah,
You can feel it when someone is being genuine and honest, who's truly
Yeah,
trying to help
yeah.
you. But you take the counsel with the right person, you know your options. My job is never to tell someone to do this.
Okay.
My job is to listen to them,
Yeah.
understand their concerns, tell them the options, and then they make that choice with the
Yeah.
proper information.
Right, right. You said that one thing that you first listen to them.
Yes.
That exactly the because people don't want to listen. That they're listening. I have the solution.
Exactly. Exactly.
So if the audience is watching, if they want to reach out, if they want to connect with you, how they can connect to you?
Well, I think these are. I don't know if that's going to pick up on a.
Yeah, you can share if you have a LinkedIn, we can share the LinkedIn profile.
Sure, yeah. Well, I'll share all my contact information with you.
I
The
like-
law offices of Shan Potts .com.
Yeah.
I love what I do.
Okay.
I've done it for so long, and I've done it in different areas. Like I said, humanitarian, entertainment, which is fun.
Yeah.
Helping people who are in the arts, who are musicians, who are athletes that come to the U.S., students, business. It's one of those areas where you just get to connect with people in a really sincere and genuine
Great.
way.
Yeah, it was nice meeting with you. Pleasure is mine. I'm connecting with you, talking to a question. You gave the precious time. Thank you so much, Shan,
You're
for
welcome, my friend.
having me on this wonderful conversation. The people is watching you, guys. You can connect with him if you are trying to go to the visa and immigration, any kind of this problem, and you have the team. You can connect with Shan. Thank you so much,
I
Shan, for your
appreciate it.
time.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.